Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here, and I have a new channel. Let's begin. And welcome back. And if you've been keeping up with Geekception for a while, you know that I've not been uploading here very often. And well, there are many reasons, life getting in the way, me sort of trying to redefine myself. And as you can notice here, the setup is quite different, which I like very much. Let me know what you think. But that is besides the way. Basically, the point of this video is to tell you, I have a new channel. And my new channel is very different from what you're seeing here on Geekception. Basically, there it's me. It's literally me, like Emmanuel Olalere. That's the name of the channel. Links in the description below, so please go check it out. Content that I have there are amazing content, like how I ran 50 kilometers without any training. This is the first 10 kilometers. I just hit 20 kilometers. I don't know how I'm still going on. The distance is now 30 kilometers. I'm checking in at 40 kilometers. I fear if I stop now, I'm not going to be able to resume. Or how I lost like a lot of weight, 3,000 hours of intermittent fasting, and as a result of that, I lost some weight, but I feel so much better. And now, after 3,000 hours, I am at 77 kgs. Now, as for the fasting plan that I follow, yeah, you should go check out that video if you absolutely want to. And also some of the other running videos I'm doing, like I'm attempting to run a marathon and I'm uploading weekly vlogs there. So that's, if there's something you're interested in, you can check out as well. As regards to Geekception here for updates, I hope to be able to, bring multiple videos per week. Again, I'm not going to jinx it because I've done these videos several times before and they did not end well. So what I'm going to do is just, let's see how it goes, no pressure, especially from myself. And thankfully, maybe not from you. But, just let me know how you've been doing, how you've been coping during these COVID times. I know it's not been easy. So let me know how it has been going for you. And again, do consider checking out my new channel. I've got 99 subscribers right now, and I would love if some of you just, check out that content and just, leave me a comment over there. Anyways, that's basically been it. I don't want to keep you waiting for so long because, COVID times, you've got to, do something. And I shall catch you in the next video, which hopefully is not very far away. It's quite close. Don't forget to remain awesome. Bye.